This is a FEBON iCapture grabber card. Please plug the HDMI line, micro USB line, iPhone charging line. This is prepared by yourself. Connect. And the plug, you will see charge signal. And please go to setup and please find Ethernet. After you see the Ethernet. After you see the Ethernet, please open the app Media Link Live. When you see the blue screen, connect your camcorder with the grabber card. Camcorder, Sony camcorder, HDMI line. This is micro HDMI. Connect. You will see the video from the camcorder. Okay. And you can close the lava. Please set up. You can select the resolution and the bitrate and the management destination. Edit YouTube. Copy. And log in. Log in your and paste. Continue. Enter your email. Continue. Enter your email, your password. Finish. Allow. And done. Important done. And okay, go to the main screen. Go live. YouTube. Select. You can change your title. Save. Done. Set as the start live training. Live now. Live streaming now. If you want to close, please select stop. Okay, very easy.